Welcome to Lesson 17. Today we learn grep, the tool for searching and filtering text. Let us get started. Grep searches for a pattern and prints every matching line. The basic syntax is grep, then the pattern, then the file. Useful flags include -i for case-insensitive and -n for line numbers. -c counts matches and minus versus inverts to show non-matching lines. Let us create a script to explore basic grep. First, we create a sample file with mixed case color names. Searching for lowercase red finds only exact case matches. The -i flag makes the search case insensitive. -n shows the line number where each match occurs. -c returns just the count of matching lines. Minus versus inverts the match, showing lines that do not contain the pattern. Let us review the script. Now let us run and see grep in action. Notice how each flag changes what grep outputs. Grep supports regular expressions for powerful pattern matching. Caret matches the start of a line, $ matches the end. A dot matches any single character, and brackets define a character class. Use -E for extended regex with pipe, plus, and question mark. Let us create a script to explore regex with grep. We create a data file with various text patterns. Caret start matches only lines beginning with that word. $ matches the pattern at the end of a line. The dot matches any character, so h.low matches both cases. The bracket range 0 through 9 matches any digit. Extended regex with -e lets us use the pipe for alternatives. The plus quantifier matches one or more consecutive digits. Let us review the script. Now let us run and see regex patterns in action. Regular expressions make grep incredibly flexible. grep can search entire directory trees with the -r flag. Context flags show lines before, after, or around each match. Use include and exclude to target specific file types. Piping any command to grep filters its output instantly. Let us create a script for practical grep usage. We set up a small project with source files and docs. Recursive search finds TODO comments across all files. Context flags show surrounding lines for better understanding. The include flag limits the search to only Python files. Piping echo output to grep filters for matching lines. Piping ps-aux to grep finds running processes. Let us review the script. Now let us run and see practical grep. Combining flags and pipes makes grep your go-to search tool. Let us recap Lesson 17. Grep searches for patterns and prints matching lines. Regular expressions add powerful pattern matching. Recursive search and pipes make grep essential for daily use. Next, text processing with set. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Hit the bell for new lesson alerts. See you in the next one.